Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Think of this as your ultimate step-by-step help guide to mastering AlignerWatch. If you're looking to confidently keep your smile perfectly on track and, actually do it from the comfort of your own couch without needing all those extra office visits, well, you are in exactly the right place.
Here is a quick look at our game plan for today. 1. Welcome to AlignerWatch. 2. Navigating your dashboard. 3. Logging your daily wear. 4. Messages and progress reports. And 5. Best tips for success. Let's get right to it.
Welcome to AlignerWatch and getting started.
Okay, so getting into the app is incredibly simple. There's no bulky app to download. You literally just open your phone or computer browser and head to AlignerWatch.com. From there, just sign in with your email and password. Oh, and for any parents or caregivers out there who might be managing multiple kids under one email address, this system makes it completely seamless. Right after signing in, you'll see a list of profiles, and you just tap the name of the child you want to update. Easy peasy.
Now, let's dive into this next part. Right at the very top of your screen, you are going to notice a big blue Help button. Clicking that opens up a super handy built-in guide. You can scroll down this page anytime you get stuck to find all the information you need to use the app effectively. It is always right there waiting for you.
Moving right along to Section 2, navigating your dashboard and understanding the metrics. Now, what's really interesting about this treatment status dashboard is that it updates your progress entirely at a glance. These main boxes you see are the absolute most important parts of the tracker. They give you a real-time snapshot of exactly where your smile is at, without you having to dig around or do any complex math.
So, let's break down exactly what each of these core metrics actually means. Current aligner, that simply shows which aligner you're wearing right now. Days worn is exactly what it sounds like. How many days you've been wearing this specific aligner. Days left counts down the days remaining before it's time for your next expected change. And finally, aligners left shows the total remaining in your overall treatment plan. And the absolute best part? The app updates these statuses automatically as the days pass. You don't have to lift a finger.
Just below those main metrics, you might also spot boxes for things like aligners with patient and days per aligner. The really crucial point here is that these are usually just set once at the very beginning. But hey, if your dentist or support team ever asks you to update one of those numbers, it is so easy. You literally just click the box directly, type in the new number, and you're done.
All right, on to Section 3, logging your daily wear, or as I like to call it, the daily habit. The daily calendar view is super intuitive. You just tap any day on the list, and a little window pops open for that specific day. You enter the number of hours you wore your aligners, and yes, you can even use decimals. So if you wore them for 21.5 hours, just pop in 21.5, hit save, and that's it. It's truly that straightforward.
To make things even more visually simple, the calendar uses a fantastic color coding system so you instantly understand your progress without overthinking a thing. A green box with a check mark? Great job, you reached your goal. Yellow means you are super close but maybe need a little more wear time. Red means low wear for that day. And gray just means, well, no time has been entered yet. One quick glance, and you know exactly how you're doing.
Let's transition to Section 4, Messages and Progress Reports, Staying Connected.
Right on your main screen, you've got these fantastic quick action buttons. You can hit Send Message to ask a question, Send Progress Report to share updates, or View History to check out your tracking calendar. But I really want to point out the absolute lifesaver here, the Enter Yesterday's Time button. Because let's face it, life gets crazy busy and we usually remember to enter our time the day after, right? This button makes logging yesterday's hours practically instant. Now, sometimes the app is going to prompt you that it's time to send a progress report. Don't worry, it's a super quick 4-step flow. First, you click Send Progress Report. Second, you add a few notes explaining how the aligners are fitting. Third, you attach any photos if your dentist requested them. And fourth, you just click Send Report. Doing this right inside the platform is a total game changer. It lets your dentist check your progress digitally, which massively reduces the need for you to go into the physical office for rescans or routine check-ins. And this brilliantly illustrates the moment we've all been waiting for. Once your progress report is reviewed by your dentist, you'll receive this beautiful green Approved to Move Ahead notification. It literally tells you everything looks great and it's officially time to switch to the next aligner. If you aren't quite ready yet, no worries at all. The team will just ask you to send another report in a few days. Finally, bringing us to Section 5. Best tips for success and keeping on track. All right, here is your ultimate cheat sheet. Try to use the app daily if you can, and always enter your hours honestly. Only update your aligner number when your dentist explicitly tells you to. And be sure to send those reports whenever you're prompted. And listen, if you miss a day, seriously, it is perfectly fine. You can always go back into the calendar, it shows your last 10 days right there on the screen, and you can even scroll further back if you need, just to catch up and log it. Remember, this tracker is here to support you. There's absolutely no judgment here. It's simply about giving your dentist the best possible picture of your care.
So, the only question left to ask today is, are you ready to take control of your smile and keep your treatment right on track? You now have all the tools, all the shortcuts, and all the knowledge you need. You are fully onboarded, completely empowered, and absolutely ready to log your very first day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and here is to your perfectly tracked, brilliant smile.